Well, it is right around the corner, the Oxford County Career Expo coming up on Thursday, March 26th. If you haven't marked your calendar, make sure you do so. You don't want to miss out. And a booth that you definitely want to go and visit is Vuteq. I've got the one and only Ellen here from Vuteq, and let's dive in and talk a little bit about some of the positions that you are hiring for.
Yeah, so right now we have production team member positions, mobile equipment operators, so that's forklift, tugger operators, as well as sales and design positions for our Vuteq Technical Center, and we also have driver positions, so AZ drivers as well.
Now, would you be one of the friendly faces that someone would see as they come through the door because you're in human resources?
Yep, maybe not their very first day, but definitely their second or third day, we would definitely see them on a regular basis.
So Ellen's going to become your best friend.
Yeah.
Down the road here. Let's talk a little bit about some of the company culture. I see a lot of things happening on the board and behind us here. Vuteq is very community oriented.
Yes, absolutely. So we enjoy participating in a lot of community events. So the Day of Caring with United Way, that happens every year in June. We are a big sponsor and support of domestic abuse services in Oxford. So the DASO here, they have a lot of different events they run throughout the year. And then at Christmas time, we always have additional gifts that we have from our kids' Christmas party, maybe left over, as well as our turkeys and veggie baskets that we're able to pay that forward and give that to them as well. The Woodstock Dairy Capital Run that the hospital used to put on, unfortunately that has come to a close, but we were a big part and sponsor of that. And then the Secure House Hike for Hospice as well.
So there's a lot of things you're involved in.
Yep.
And of course, Vuteq is a gold sponsor of the Oxford County Career Expo.
Yes.
Why is the expo important to you?
I think it's really important because a majority of our team members actually live in Oxford County and their family members as well. And it's a great opportunity for not only team members to see that we're sponsoring, but also for high schools to be able to come and see that it's not just manufacturing, it's not just production that we offer. We have a wide range, as I mentioned earlier, that we have sales positions, design, we have an accounting team. There's a lot of skilled trades positions as well, a lot of further growth and development that we do with our team members.
And you have positions for, I would say, a variety of different ages. So
Yes.
at the Career Expo, for example, we have students that come through the day, and then it is opened up to the general public later in the afternoon. So start off with students, like you do have a variety of, like even summer jobs that you're
Yep,
looking for.
absolutely. So we do have summer students. We hire at the age of 17. So anyone at the age of 17 or older are able to apply for that. And that can run from either May or from July to August until they head off to their future opportunities for themselves. And then, of course, in the afternoon for the other opportunities that are available with Vuteq.
Being in human resources, I know obviously safety is a very important aspect of Vuteq, but what are some things that you are looking for in your team members and your employees to be desirable candidates?
Yep. So someone that's dependable, ready, willing to work, ready to learn. We have a great hands-on training, so we want to make sure that we're setting our team members up for success. So they spend a day off the line out of production with a one-on-one trainer so that they can learn those step-by-step processes, all of the safe ways to perform their processes and their tasks. We put them through a hands-on safety training so that they can be well aware of any hazards that may come in contact for them.
And last, I just wanted to touch on your company culture because
Yes.
you have like a lot of incentives, a lot of functions, a lot of social committee events. But can you, in your words, tell me about your culture here at Vuteq? What does it mean to you to be here?
Absolutely. So it's a very family-oriented company. So we want to make sure that we're not only caring about our team members, but their outside life here as well. So we do different activities like our Blue Jays trip, our Canada's Wonderland, where you're able to bring your family or a guest to. We have a baseball tournament that's a lot of fun, but can get a little competitive as well.
I was just going to say, but it's competitive.
Yeah, especially some of our management team, which is great. We have a Kaizen activities and initiatives, so team members are able to put forward suggestions, and then the winning team, at the end of the year, we have a big competition. The winning team actually gets to go to Japan, where our headquarters is, and participate in the international competition as well.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah.
The whole team goes to Japan.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
If that's not an incentive, I don't know what is. That's an amazing experience. What a memorable experience.
Yes.
Wow. Have you ever been on the team?
I did, yes, I did.
You have?
2015, so a little
Whoa.
while ago, but yes.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's okay. So how long have you worked at Vuteq?
16 years now, yeah.
Oh my God. So you started very, very long time
Yes, I
ago.
did. Yeah, I started in production myself and was able to do human resources courses and then work my way through some different positions here and now in the assistant manager.
So would it be safe to say there's opportunity here?
Absolutely. Lots of opportunity for growth and development.
You are a perfect example of
Yes.
that. I love
Thank
it.
you.
Okay. Thank you, Ellen. This has
You're
been most
welcome.
insightful, and I sure hope you're going to join us at the Career Expo, Oxford County Career Expo, coming up Thursday, March 26th. Don't miss it, and make sure you stop by the Vuteq booth. You won't be disappointed. Thanks.